brochure. You know, the network is on there.
I think Lynn is naive in a lot of areas of the business.
Lynn's entire staff gets it. I need Lynn to look me in the eye and convince me that she's willing to let go of all this other nonsense. And if she doesn't, I'm going home. Modeling agency.
Tanner, what are you doing? You're crazy.
Or modeling school.
Modeling agency.
Are you committed?
What are you doing?
100% into Lynn.
What was that, you hyper boy?
Calls next week.
Go!
And we're having a little
Go!
making the rent. What do you do?
Sorry, you don't do those
Thank you,
anymore.
ma'am.
It means canceling everything.
That means canceling everything.
Yeah, thirsty boy, running like that, going crazy.
For a couple of days, or if I have to come in and book stuff on volunteer time, then I'll do that.
Tanner.
It's overwhelming because change is overwhelming. Any change in life is overwhelming.
Guess you're gonna have to go potty before bed now, huh? What are you doing, crazy boy?
Modeling agency, modeling school.
Come here.
Modeling agency.
Come here.
I would say if anyone can fix this,
I love
agency,
you.
it's Paul Fisher. And so for now,
Come here,
I'm
my
gonna believe
buddies.
that, and I'm going to believe that. And if you can't
Come here.
fix it, then we close.
Come on.
What are you going to do to hold them accountable?
I'll play some muscle and get
Come
these
here.
damn things out of here.
Oh, I love you.
Oh my God.
Stand right there. Lynn, I need to know.
Yes,
You are 100% committed.
I'm absolutely sure.
Lynn, step on it. Right here. Slam it. Slam it. Slam
Come
it.
here.
Slam it.
Get your snail.
Paul should believe in me because there is not an agency
Yeah.
owner on the
Bye-bye.
face of the planet
Bye-bye.